Yep. So welcome to another Street Circumstance vlog. Today it's a good day to maintain the fleet. So while the sun is busy playing peekaboo with the clouds, yeah, I have to sort this out. I can't go that other side because of the noise. So I'll go once they done that side, so I can tell you what more needs to be done there on the other cars that side. So for now, I'll focus on this one and try change the tire and put a spare wheel and go and check what's wrong with this tire. So yeah, let's get to it. And yep, in this instance, everything is just hopeless. Just hopeless. Okay. So what I'll do is move the van. I'll try to move this one a bit back. Yeah, back it there. And then move the van. Take the Golfy out. And then I'll use the Golfy to go pump. Oh yeah, let me show you this other one. So yeah, this one. 2 down. Golfy needs a wash. That's all. Yeah, so it's only those other 2 tires that I need to wash. Golfy just needs to pump the tire. The Golfy needs a wash. Tire. Okay, my dogs were fighting and they decided to drag each other out by my car. So as you can see, decided to just fight by my car. So this is blood everywhere. So yeah, definitely needs a wash. And I need to sort the rat smell. I think there's a dead rat inside the car, so I need to sort that out. So yeah, let's get to it. It's gonna be a mission. Yeah. So all 3 are out. So what I'll do is pump these ones, and then this one I'll pump after I'm done with that one. I'll go after everything is done and then pump it and then put it back in the boot. So I know I have a inflated spare tire. And then I'm soon gonna use the van once because it's 3 tires and the Golf is parked way up there. So just gonna use the van to go pump them. Let's get to it. So all loaded up. Let's go pump some tires. Yeah, and we're back. So now, yeah, tires are pumped. Checked for leaks. There's no leaks. Besides one rim. One rim is bent. One rim is bent. So yeah, we offload.